Hey guys, Touch coming at you. It's Tuesday, October the 8th, and I don't know if you can see that. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 19, 20, 20 degrees Celsius. So that looks like pretty good painting weather for me. So I'm looking forward to being able to maybe get some paint on the car. This is probably going to be my last opportunity, actually. It's a long weekend here. It's Thanksgiving up in Canada this coming weekend. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get the body back off the chassis, and we're going to try to sand everything that needs to be sanded in order to get this into paint in the next few days. So that's the plan anyway. So what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to get the windscreen back off, the front apron back off. Probably might leave the fenders on, I'm not sure. I haven't lifted the body with the fenders on before. I've already taken the rear fenders off. So what we'll try to do is, like I said, get the body off the chassis, move the chassis over to the left side of the garage, and we'll set that body back up in the center of the garage on some stands. So that's what we're up to in the garage tonight. Not a bad night out here tonight, so we'll work as far as we can, or as late as we can tonight on the car, comfortably anyway. Hockey game on tonight at 7 o'clock, so that might keep me some company out in the garage. That's it for now, guys. We'll maybe give you another shot once the body's off and all set up again. Talk to you later, guys. Alright, we're ready to go for tomorrow night. She's set up in the middle of the garage again. Talk to you later.